VOOPEAK. It is a dual camera. It has AA batteries, solar panel, night vision, and more. Set it up for trail cam, again camera. What we're going to do is show you inside the box how to set up through the application and what the camera is about. Wi-Fi driven, we're going to capture squirrels and some birds in our area and set it up. It comes with the instruction guide laid on top. The dual camera in the center by removing two packages in the sides as we open up. For a tree, a strap, USB-C transfer charging cable. On the opposite side opening up, the attached solar panel and camera as we move out. Please remember to peel all film off of the camera, the sensors and the lenses. Briefly going over the unit, we have cameras, night vision, LEDs, clips, the solar panel that's adjustable, the tree strap and areas to put things through, and clips and tripod mounts, and a locking tab. Opening up the camera is simply opening up all the clips, 4 AA batteries not included, and the control center. The on and off, the forward, back, previous, OK buttons, and modes. Placing in from rechargeable batteries, negative first, positive second, and lock down. We have a tripod that we're going to simply mount on for demonstrations of setting up. On page 19 of the owner's manual will be the application for Trail Cam Go. Open up, follow the information provided. Turn on your camera by hitting the lower button. Add the device. The device is asking for a language. Allow the unit to set up. Hit connect. Allow the app to open. Join the network. On the camera, app is connecting. Find on the network. Put a name to the unit. This is the screen. Backyard. AA batteries. Disconnect. Live view. Settings. The gallery. Wi-Fi signal 100%. You can add in additional cameras and more. Place your camera outside and set up with the settings. We have here our number of modes and we'll briefly go over. In the mode you have motion detection and detection interval. You could set it up for motion, period caption, time lapse, and so forth. We have photo and or video. We can do photo and video, photo only, and video by setting up. We have chosen photo plus video. We have photo settings of 2 meg all the way up to 60 meg. Multi-shots by clicking on multi-shots, 1 photo to 5 photos. We have a resolution of 720p all the way to 4K resolution. An optional SDXC card is needed. We have a video length from 5 seconds to 5 minutes. We have auto recording. And we have a video length saved to 30 seconds and backing out. We could put a device name, an operating time of a start and stop scheduled recording. We could format the unit, the memory card, audio, and display. We have a mic volume, speaker volume, information bar, and Wi-Fi LED status. We have a security of the camera to password protect. Those are the settings of the unit by backing out. We have a map. We apologize if we cannot show this. We have an account for the album, about, upgrade, and so forth. As you can see on the screen, this is what it looks like. We have the battery level, the temperature of outside, down below, and disconnecting of the unit. If we rotate to the side, we have a full image and the information on the side that we could record, take a photo, and hear the audio. We have a back out button that goes back to the screen. These are just some of the features and functions of the unit. Setting up is simple as hitting the setup button and exit. All we need to do is close the window, go set our camera up outside, put it to the string, the cord, wherever you want to hang, on a tree, hook it up. Hook it up to battery power. It has a solar power and it's recording motion. We're gonna demonstrate, hang up over here for a number of days and see if we could capture animals, squirrels, and more. We are connected and we have the shot we are looking for by the tree to see if the squirrel will come down or the birds and capture the moment. We have a memory card of 59%, battery life of 60% with a temperature of 22 Celsius. Outside, it is about 40 degrees. As we shut down the application and allow the unit to capture the moment, that is the wide field of view. We'll come back in a couple of days to a couple of weeks to see what we have captured. The TC37, we have some video of a squirrel and pooches, 2 chihuahuas walking in the sensor of the camera and the 3 types of cameras of the unit. And it's solar powered, battery operated, that you take your phone near to the unit to look at the video, download video, and share videos via the smartphone and more. This is a video. We turn it to the side. You can see what it looks like and you could record it, save it for documentary and more. I hope you enjoy the VOOPEAK TC37 Trail Cam battery operated solar panel. Place it anywhere you like. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.